Hi everyone, and welcome back to Peggy's Picks. It is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and it's always the perfect day to get your good deed jar ready. This is a great little project to do at the table on Thanksgiving while you're trying to digest and while everybody's still sitting around the table. So I'm going to show you that in 2 seconds. All you need is a marker, some paper, scissors, and a jar. That's it. But it is a great project and it will last the entire month of December. But before I do that, I must say thank you to every single one of you. If you are a real estate client, my families, my real estate families, you are truly family to me. We are like generational families at this point, but I could not, my success would be nothing without you, nothing. So I thank you from the deepest part of my heart. To all of you that have followed Peggy's Picks for the last 47 weeks. I committed to 52 weeks, so I have 5 more weeks to go. We have over 3,000 followers on all the platforms, people as far away as China, Australia, and of course here in the United States. It has been a blast. It is hard work. It is hard to do when you are working full time, but I made the commitment and I wanted to do it, and it's been so much fun, and I love all of you for supporting me and coming along for the ride. I thank my family, my friends, my husband, my child for supporting me during my medical journey this year. It was hard, but got through it. Still struggling a little bit, but definitely happy that all that is over. And also, you know, with the loss of Lewis, that was a really hard hit. Thank you for all the love that surrounded us during that time. And still now, grief is a freaking wave, and it sucks. And everybody knows it because everyone's lost someone. But we just get through it, and, you know, hopefully we get stronger. And I do believe that we will meet again one day, you know, our loved ones. So enough of all of that. Let's get to the good deed jar. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is it. I just took this vessel and I made a good, put a little sign on a good deed. And then you need a scissor and a marker and paper. That's it. Cut the paper. You could probably get 8 little squares out of this. And then you put good deeds on them. So I have here, give a compliment to a stranger, send someone a thank you card, rake someone's lawn, pay for someone's coffee, hold the door open for people and smile, rake someone's lawn. So all these things, when you sit around the table, everybody can get one, the kids, write it down, and you put them all. You should have 31. You want 31 good deeds. And then you fold them up and you put them in the jar. So you'll have 31 good deeds in this jar. And from December 1st to December 31st, you will each person in your family will pull one out of the jar. So it would look something like this. Take it out of the jar, open it up. You can tell other people what it is. It makes you accountable. Okay, hold the door open for people and smile. I'll go out, I'll do that, I'll come home. Once it's complete, you put it back in the jar, stir it up, and the next day you do the same thing. And you do that for 31 days. They say after 30 days, it becomes a habit. So wouldn't that be amazing? If everyone did a good deed jar and did one good deed for 31 days, just think of how much better the world would be. So I hope this goes all around the world, and that we get some good deeds. And we'll have to share in the bottom, in the comments, if you have a good deed suggestion. Please put it in the comments so we can all help each other out. That'll be our first good deed, helping each other out to make our good deed jars. So again, I wish you all a happy, healthy Thanksgiving day. May abundance be yours. May all the soup kitchens be full. Thank you to all the farmers at St. Peter's by the Sea Farm for feeding everyone. My freezer is stocked with vegetables that I grew there. You know, I just cut them up, clean them, and put them in there. So everything is ready for the day. Going to my sister. She makes it easy on me, my sister Mary. And again, have the most wonderful Thanksgiving, and thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless.